Today I am reviewing the BLACK+DECKER Cordless Handheld Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. To get things started, let us focus on what makes a handheld vacuum actually useful, which is its immediate grab and go convenience. Weighing in at just over 2 pounds, this dustbuster is exceptionally lightweight and well balanced in the hand. Unlike a full-sized upright vacuum or even a stick vacuum that requires you to untangle cords or assemble parts, this unit is designed for instant action. It uses a 10.8-volt lithium-ion battery system that ensures the suction remains consistently strong from the first second you turn it on until the battery is depleted. This stable power delivery is a huge upgrade over older nickel-cadmium batteries that used to fade and lose strength slowly during use. You get about 15 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge, which is more than enough time to clean out your car seats, refresh your couch cushions, or take care of an accidental kitchen spill. One of the standout physical attributes of this specific model is the clever wide mouth design. Many portable vacuums feature narrow, restrictive entry ports that get easily clogged by larger debris like dry cereal, cat litter chunks, or small pebbles tracked into the house. BLACK+DECKER designed this nozzle with a generous opening that effortlessly scoops up bulkier items without forcing you to push them around or struggle with repeated passes. When you do need to target tight spaces, the included push and crevice tool slides right into play, making it incredibly simple to reach deep down between automobile seats, along baseboards, or into the dark corners of your pantry shelves. There is also a push and brush tool that adds an extra layer of versatility, allowing you to gently loosen dust and pet hair from upholstery and fabric surfaces without scratching the underlying material. As you collect debris around the home, you will appreciate the high-capacity dirt bowl integrated into the chassis. This bagless translucent container holds significantly more waste than standard compact hand vacuums, which means you can tackle large household messes without constantly stopping to hike over to the trash can. Because the housing is completely see-through, you can tell exactly when it is time to empty the contents at a single glance, saving you from the drop in suction power that happens when a vacuum is secretly overfilled. When it does come time for maintenance, the cleanup process is remarkably straightforward. The dirt bowl pops off easily with a quick twist, letting you dump the collected debris directly into your garbage bin. Both the bowl itself and the internal cyclonic filter system are entirely washable. You can simply rinse them out under warm tap water to remove fine dust buildup, let them air dry completely, and pop them back together. This washable design keeps the unit running efficiently over the long term and completely eliminates the need to buy expensive replacement paper filters or bags. For storage, BLACK+DECKER includes a convenient wall mount charging base with the package. This allows you to mount the docking station directly inside a closet, a utility room, or a kitchen pantry, keeping the vacuum entirely off your counters and floor space, while keeping it fully charged and accessible for the next unexpected mess. Ultimately, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster HHVI 315JO42 provides an exceptional balance of strong lithium suction, lightweight handling, and straightforward maintenance. It masterfully addresses the core needs of quick pickup tasks with its wide mouth intake, large clear bin, and targeted cleaning attachments. If you are browsing online for a practical, long-lasting tool to streamline your weekly tidying routines, this reliable cordless vacuum stands out as an excellent, highly practical addition to any busy home setup.